This is Abby's idea box. It's more like a jar. She keeps all her craft stuff in here, so when she has a big idea, she can just reach in it and grab whatever it is she needs. What do you want? More flowers? Or feathers?
I want little feather, not yellow. Purple.
You see a purple feather in there? Oh, I do.
Where? Tell me. The feather is up on me.
Here.
Oh, but get it out there. Well, feather. That made feather. Now. Look, feather.
Oh, flower.
Then out there, we don't. You are my sweet.
So now I'm going to try it this way. You can see it. A long one would work a lot better.
I did that. Mommy.
I gotta switch hands because I'm left-handed. Make sure it's actually getting onto the bottle. Alright, this is like my third attempt. If anybody has any suggestions on a better way to do this, we're going to try it this way. I basically put a piece of tape in there, crumpled it up, and one of the pieces is stuck in there, the crayon, with a pin into the crayon and then into the crumpled up tape, and then I wedged all the other ones in there. Here we go. Remember, do not let kids do this. Kind of, like I said, a longer one would be better. I failed to mention it will drip and go everywhere. I'm not going to tell Dad right now. I'm just going to try to clean up the mess, but make sure you put down paper towels or something to catch the drip. Otherwise, your surface will be covered in crayon. It just stuck like that, and I put on a lower setting so it wouldn't blow. But definitely the higher setting does make it melt better. So it is going. And gonna leave it like this for now. Through trial and error, you can really, it took me a whole bunch of different tries to get it moving down. But beyond just, ooh, this looks cool, it's a great way to have a science lesson with your kiddos about solid and liquids and why things melt and all that other jargon. So yeah. If you want, feel free to try this experiment yourself. We're on Instagram, adventuresofabbygirl.com, and tag us if you try this. We just used a glass bottle Riesling. You can take the label off, do whatever you want. I just left it on to kind of see what was going on. Again, if you try this, Instagram, we're also on Twitter, we're on Facebook. Tag us when you try it. We'll even share it in our stories, what you come up with.